can't really scream out your throat for him right now. You don't want to make them stay there. I'm still. You don't want him stay foreign for your blood. Because deep down inside, you know that boy do not want you. Anything I know about your person that him make my blood. But you call him and make him go live and cuss me. Because that's what I'm not going to do. Remember, I always tell you guys what you're going to do because I study everybody. You want him go live now and cuss me now because nothing not going for you. Him look happy enough, but you not look happy. So go on and cuss me now. I want him cuss me now too, especially when me in my place, my born and grow in New York. Me in the United States. I remember saying, you disrespect my pitney, you know. I did have to go draw for your dog pitney with dead, you know. I remind you, say, anytime you want attention, you come from live and ball about your daughter when nothing not going with you, you know. You know you not like living a peace. Because if you did like living a peace, Queenie, you would have never end up alive with dirty posts and trash bag. I call up my name. I clout, she must have look after me, but me not understand how she can look out after me. And for me, when you haven't been alive all this time, and you have all these was. So my concern is now, did RT send you, Queenie? Or I answer, because remember say you press button and under him regime. I don't see your husband. Now fuck out Queenie. You reach my life with pussy and trash bag and that cost me. So I need to know who send you, Queenie, that I want you answer. Who send you this morning? Because you can't be a press button to where you make posts and cuss me and you go up there and cuss me out. And you make posts draw you out for cuss me. So who send you, Queenie? Last time, me did say you did that dead. And me say me stop cussing and me not look back for you. Because me time to tell you, say you can't play with God people. Because I remember say the night before, you know, or the 2 days before, you know, in the life we do you go on with yourself, I look like a crackhead, you know, because you did hide past something. Or come like me need to go send in requests over Shabada. So me should have transfer. So if you didn't want to argue with somebody, why you don't argue with blood? What you bother me for? So Queenie, you really up alive with trash bag and so posts. Shabada rings you for days now. So that's what it look like you don't want me start do the do. And team up with the enemy and them something there. And that's what you want me to start though. Because me do that on a ball. You know, we cry at them time. They remember some of my mother out by myself, you know. So that you want me to do. I remember say me mother. Let me make sure my follow Shabbat. Let me see. Should be. MP Shabbat 32. You know, see when you have to stand here, you have to anointing. What do you say? Shabbat. That's not my page. What's that you think you ever said we got to want to read Christ? I gotta remember this is how I kid no bad now, make you look blind. Me talking to you put my name in that song. Me talk. Hey, what? You need to work for and bring a PH next. So you see, you want to go over there? You see, like right now, them over there cock up. You lick them on least expect it. I need enough for go over there and I need enough for break. See them I go up there, but the only thing I do wrong on TikTok today when I add the guy. And that's why I did not do good by myself. Them time the RT the part live. Them say RT probably about 60 followers. I did not go on with my little self today. I did not go get down the nitty gritty. Now bring on. Trying to run back out there because you know them love run and tell. Yeah. Yeah, I feel like page on the need for. Me say, soon as the man come up to them, lick off the TikTok. But me already know, you know. I wake up this morning, and me say, guess what? Let me say, the spirit tell me say today, me not ramping with nobody. I swear to Father God, me say it. Me say me nobody to them tread lightly. But first live me starting, I me say, tread lightly. That me say. Me say we can feel one today. So anyway, me done with you, y'all, you and a Queenie. I forgot answer Shabada. I forgot answer them people. Like, I remember saying you live for negativity, you live for the cussing back and forth. I'm trying to stay focused. If you're not gonna have a conversation and let me know what is your stance about the 15-year-old that RT boss took advantage of, then there's nothing for me and you to talk about. And if you go cuss your front, go cuss all those who know your business and really chat to you. And them say Shabana been bringing you down for days, really, really bad. And you should go answer him. That's what you need for blood to. Instead of being on the line with two and you and those other two have a lot in common. Understand on maybe welfare babies and all sorts of things. I understand. But love me, man. Dirty pretty Dan, you can't talk to me. Me never born with wig on my head. Me never born with false hair on my head. Me born the whole of we wear wig. Do you know why you can't wear it? Because you use a black man.